Greetings, adventurers. Have you heard the whispers circulating across taverns and villages regarding hidden places scattered throughout the land? Dungeons imbued with wonder and danger in equal measure. My years of research and exploration have led me to discover 10 such locales, lost to time and shrouded in mystery. Join me as we unveil secrets that have remained buried for centuries. Our journey begins in the Moonlight Forest, where the crumbling walls of the Emerald Sanctum hide in the shadows of overgrown ruins. Legends tell of an ancient sect of monks that meditated here, seeking divine truths. But none who have ventured inside have returned to tell the tale. Lured by scintillating green light emanating from within, we must uncover why this once sacred place radiates an aura of supernatural terror. Moving on, we come to the catacombs of dread sprawling deep underneath the graveyard of souls. Endless tunnels lined with bones twist through the darkness, leading to a central chamber housing the well of suffering, said to be bottomless, in depth and surrounded by agonized wails of the departed. It is rumored that a glimmering artifact grants wishes to any who dare retrieve it from the well's grasp. But at what cost? We must maintain our resolve as we navigate the claustrophobic passages and solve the catacomb's sinister riddles. Now to the obsidian walls of the Onyx Fortress, once home to the shadowy order of the Raven Knights. Their devotion to secrecy and the arcane arts fills the air with crackling magical energy. The Grand Hall of Whispers holds disembodied voices sharing secrets of forbidden rituals and hidden treasures. Seeking answers, we must overcome illusory decoys and magical traps to access the Order's deepest knowledge. Half submerged in the gloom of the endless swamp rests the sunken citadel, an ancient metropolis swallowed by the marsh centuries ago. Those who dismiss the legends as fantasy will soon reconsider as we traverse flooded streets filled with crumbling monuments. Our goal, Central Ziggurat Temple, within which the secrets of the city's watery demise and alleged hordes of artifacts remain unexplored. That brings us to the centerpiece of our journey, the Night Keep, an imposing obsidian fortress surrounded by a perpetually raging thunderstorm. None are certain if dark magics or natural phenomena fuel the tempest, but deep inside lurks an unfathomable evil. We must steel ourselves against unspeakable horrors to reach the inner sanctum and learn the truth behind the unrelenting storm. Our path continues through the mist-veiled deadwoods, where glowing wisps bounce between twisted, skeletal trees. They lead to the Hollow Tree Sanctum, its roots concealing a maze of tunnels sealed for centuries. At its heart, a grotesque entity known as the Woodland Corruptor dwells, warping the forest around it. How this eldritch horror came to inhabit the sanctuary, we shall soon uncover. Onwards to the Crown of Thorns, a treacherous mountain maze only visible under the light of the blood moon. Rock slides, sudden ravines, and misleading trails render it nearly impassable, but climactic views await those who endure. Records suggest a royal tomb capped with engraved spires may reveal artifacts of the ancient Blood Crown dynasty, but failing the labyrinth's test spells, doom among the icy peaks. Through remote badlands, we traverse next, towards pillars of stone looming on the horizon. These monoliths surround the stone circle, arranged centuries ago by mysterious druids. At its center, a rift allows passage between realms and access to sacred weapons of legendary power. To claim them, we must decode the meaning of ancient runes while surviving encounters with denizens of other realities. Finally, we come to the lost caverns of luminescence, a glittering subterranean landscape deep beneath the shifting sands. Our goal is the glowing pool filled with luminescent waters imbued with magical properties. Ancient carvings suggest ritual offerings may summon a guide to hidden troves. But lingering spirits seek to deceive us towards peril should we misinterpret their clues. So closes this preview of the mysteries we shall unravel in the days ahead. The perilous road lies before us, but with courage and wisdom, what revelations await discovery? Our epic adventure into the unknown begins soon, my friends. Until then, may your dreams fuel your hunger for exploration.